I found myself staring at a monthly bill that cost more than my own grocery budget for a week. We are talking about spending nearly $120 a month just to feed one cat. That is the world of small cat food. It is all over social media right now. It is hard to scroll for 5 minutes without seeing these sleek packages of human grade meals. I had to dig into the details to see if this is a revolutionary health move or just really good marketing. Let's start with the actual ingredients. This is not the mystery sludge you find in a bargain bin. We are looking at real named meats like chicken, turkey, and beef. There are zero fillers or weird preservatives involved. They use a gentle cooking method. This is a big deal because standard canned food is often blasted with high heat. That process can kill off the very nutrients your cat needs to thrive. By cooking it gently, Smalls keeps those vitamins and minerals intact. They even go as far as testing every single batch for pathogens. That kind of safety protocol is rare in the pet food industry. The variety is genuinely solid too. You can get fresh frozen packs, freeze-dried options, and even specialized broths or treats. They have a very smart onboarding process with a sampler. Your cat gets to try the flavors before you get locked into a recurring plan. That is a thoughtful touch for any pet parent. The results people are seeing are pretty striking. I'm hearing stories about cats with noticeably shinier coats and much higher energy levels. Some owners are even seeing a drop in the number of hairboards they have to clean up. That alone feels like a gift. Even the experts at Meti review sites gave them an A-. But the cost is where it hits home. Paying up to $120 a month per cat is a steep climb. It becomes a very personal choice. There are lower tier Kibi plans for around $28. However, that is basically a different product entirely. The real catch for many people is not the quality of the food. It is the subscription logistics. There are multiple reports from customers who got charged even after they tried to cancel. Some people found it incredibly difficult to reach a human in customer support. That creates a lot of unnecessary stress. Then you have packaging issues and the simple fact that some cats are just incredibly picky. You could buy the most expensive meal on earth and your cat might still turn up its nose. But here is the most interesting part of the whole debate. We have to remember that cats are essentially desert animals. Their bodies are not designed to crave water from a bowl. In nature, they get their hydration almost exclusively from their prey. This means most cats eating dry food are living in a state of chronic dehydration. It puts a silent strain on their kidneys that builds up over years. The high moisture content in a food like this is more than just a premium feature. It is a biological necessity for a cat's long-term health. That is the most legitimate reason to consider a switch like this. The quality is there and the science makes sense. Just make sure you are ready to handle the subscription mechanics before you sign up. You have to be proactive about managing the trial period. If the price is too high, you can still find quality wet food at a store that offers similar moisture benefits. You do not necessarily need a luxury subscription to be a great pet owner. The marketing is flashy, but the health of your cat is what really matters at the end of the day.